Let me show you how I made these customizable folded paper stars. They only require a small amount of glue. You can make them with as many points and in any size you want. At the end of this video, I'm showing you how I used them in my home decor. Also check out my blog post with step-by-step written instructions and photos. The main reason I wanted to make these stars is to hang them on my icicle branches, but I also added them to my mantle, Christmas tree, and my great-grandmother's portrait frame. Hit the subscribe button and check out my other tutorials. See you next time. Bye!